Let's talk now about the half cells, about the types of half cells. The first type you could see here, yes, it's, as I already mentioned, is metallic type half cell. It is also called metal-metal ion type half cell. This type of half cell is utilized in, for example, Daniell cell. Here you have it an example. It's a metallic bar or metallic plate which is immersed in the aqueous electrolyte solution containing this metallic bar cations. And here you have an example of zinc metallic type half cell. So there is a reaction between zinc cations and metallic zinc. It is a reversible reaction. And the standard potential, which appears in Galvanic series, the standard potential of this particular type of half cell is equal to minus 0.762 volts. And this potential, of course, appear in Galvanic series, and you remember that all of these standard potentials of half cells, which are included in Galvanic series, are estimated in relation to hydrogen half cell. According to this reversible reaction, this reaction describes this half cell. If this particular half cell, this zinc metal ion type half cell, works as an anode, this half cell reaction proceeds from right to left. So metal, in this case zinc, is oxidized to zinc cations. If this half cell works as a cathode, the reaction proceeds from left to right. There is a reduction of zinc cations to metal atom, yes, to metallic form of the zinc. Below you have another type of half cell. This cell is called gaseous or just non-metal ion half cell. Non-metal ion half cell means that the half cell reaction proceeds between non-metal and his ion form. This type of half cell is, for example, hydrogen half cell. Standard potential of the hydrogen half cell, as you know, is established as a 0 volts. And here you have a figure of this half cell, of this hydrogen half cell. In every single half cell, it must be electrolyte solution. It must be electrolyte solution. Electrolyte solution conduct electric charge. We need electrolyte solution, and we need metal or first class, the so-called first class conductor. Yes, it could be metal or it could be a graphite, because metal here in every single half cell, metal, if this metal does not take a part in reaction as in the metal ion reaction, because in metal ion half cell, solid zinc take place in this half cell reaction. Let's see that in this non-metal ion half cell, platinum does not take a part in half-cell reaction. The half-cell reaction proceeds between gases, particle of hydrogen, it is a non-metal, and between the hydrogen ions, between the hydrogen ions. However, we need metal in this half cell, metal which is immersed in the electrolyte solution. You could see it here. Metal is a matrix for exchanging the charge, yes, for exchanging the charge. It is impossible to exchange these two electrons between gases, hydrogen and hydrogen ion. This exchange takes place on the surface of the metal. So the metal is a matrix of this reaction. This reaction takes place on the surface of the metal. So in every single half cell, we need metal. We need metal as we need electrolyte solution. And here in this gaseous hydrogen half cell, we can see the pipe. The pipe. In the inlet of this pipe, we have gaseous hydrogen. In the outlet also. This gaseous hydrogen rinsed this platinum surface. And on the surface of this platinum, there is a reaction between gaseous hydrogen and, of course, hydrogen ions. If this hydrogen half cell works as an anode, this half cell reaction proceeds from right to left. So gaseous hydrogen particle is oxidized to hydrogen ions. If this half cell is a cathode, the reaction proceeds from left to right. Here you have a scheme of this half cell. As I said to you previously, one single vertical bar shows us the interface between two phases. Here, in this case, between solid metal, which is platinum, between hydrogen ions, which are included in aqueous solution, aqueous electrolyte solution, and between gaseous hydrogen. Next type of the half cell